Imagine the ground beneath your feet begins to ripple like water, buildings sway as if caught in a gale, and the familiar sounds of daily life are drowned out by a deep, rumbling roar. This isn't a scene from a movie, it's the reality of living through one of Earth's most powerful and devastating natural phenomena, an earthquake. Throughout history, these seismic events have not only reshaped landscapes, but also the lives of millions, testing human resilience in unprecedented ways. The Earth's surface might seem solid and unyielding, yet it floats atop tectonic plates that are constantly in motion. It is at the boundaries of these plates that the planet's most catastrophic earthquakes occur, releasing energy that has accumulated over centuries. This essay delves into some of the most significant earthquakes in history, exploring their causes, impacts, and the indomitable spirit of those who endured them. On April 18, 1906, a massive earthquake struck San Francisco. Measured at a magnitude of approximately 7.8, it was one of the most significant earthquakes of the 20th century. The city was devastated, with fires breaking out, buildings collapsing, and thousands of lives lost. The earthquake resulted from a slip along the San Andreas Fault, a tectonic boundary that had accumulated stress for years. This event highlighted the need for better building designs and emergency preparedness, fundamentally changing how earthquakes were understood at the time. Reconstruction efforts were monumental, leading to a rebirth of San Francisco with improved construction standards and more rigorous urban planning. This disaster set a precedent for how cities around the world prepared for natural calamities, emphasizing the importance of resilience and adaptation. In the early hours of July 28, 1976, the city of Tangshan in China was hit by a devastating earthquake, measuring a staggering 7.5 on the Richter scale. It was one of the deadliest earthquakes in modern history, claiming the lives of approximately 242,000 people. The earthquake struck unexpectedly in the middle of the night, maximizing its catastrophic impact. Buildings were not constructed to withstand such tremors, leading to widespread destruction and loss of life. The Chinese government, with the help of international aid, embarked on a massive reconstruction and relief effort. This event significantly influenced China's approach to disaster management and urban planning, leading to stricter building codes and more comprehensive emergency response strategies. March 11, 2011 marks one of the darkest days in Japan's history. The country faced a megathrust earthquake of 9.0 magnitude, which triggered a massive tsunami and led to the infamous Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant disaster. The twin disasters of the earthquake and tsunami caused massive destruction along Japan's northeastern coast and raised concerns about nuclear safety worldwide. The aftermath was a stark reminder of the fragility of human constructs in the face of nature's might. Japan's response to the disaster was a testament to its technological prowess and disciplined social structure. The recovery process, while ongoing, has been a learning curve for disaster management globally, emphasizing the need for robust, resilient systems that can withstand similar catastrophic events. On August 17, 1999, Turkey was rocked by a severe earthquake near the city of Izmit, registering a magnitude of 7.6. The quake lasted less than a minute, but left profound devastation in its wake, killing around 17,000 people and destroying thousands of buildings. The earthquake was caused by a shift in the North Anatolian fault. Analysis of this event has helped scientists understand the complex dynamics of this fault line, which is similar to the San Andreas Fault in California. Turkey's rapid response and international aid efforts showcased the importance of immediate action. Long term, the disaster prompted significant changes in Turkish building codes and public awareness campaigns, aiming to mitigate the impact of future earthquakes. Earthquakes are caused by the movement of the Earth's tectonic plates. These plates can lock together for years, building up stress until they suddenly slip, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves. This process occurs most frequently at fault lines, the borders between tectonic plates. Modern seismology has developed various methods to measure and predict earthquakes, although predicting the exact time and location remains challenging. Instruments like seismographs and accelerometers are crucial for this task. Advancements in technology have notably improved our ability to prepare for earthquakes. The human aspect of earthquakes often reveals stories of incredible resilience. Survivors from San Francisco in 1906 to Japan in 2011 share tales of loss, despair, and eventual recovery. These narratives not only highlight the personal impact of such disasters, but also the communal efforts to rebuild and recover. Psychologically, the trauma of experiencing an earthquake can have lasting effects, but community support plays a crucial role in healing. Events like these often lead to stronger communal ties and a re-evaluation of what is important in life. Culturally, earthquakes have also influenced art, literature, and film, providing a medium through which societies process and record their experiences. This cultural output is crucial for understanding the emotional and social impact of these catastrophic events. In the aftermath of major earthquakes, international aid has often been pivotal. Following the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, for example, global aid initiatives provided crucial support for the affected regions, helping to stabilize conditions and start the reconstruction process. The importance of international cooperation cannot be overstated. Disaster-prone countries often benefit from shared knowledge and resources, which can significantly improve response times and efficiency. Over the years, international strategies for disaster response have evolved with an increasing focus on not just immediate relief, but also long-term resilience building, ensuring communities are better prepared for future seismic events. Despite our best efforts, earthquakes will continue to pose a significant threat due to the inherent unpredictability of tectonic movements. However, advances in science and technology are constantly improving our ability to forecast and respond to these events. Community-based initiatives are particularly effective. These programs educate the public about what to do during an earthquake, significantly reducing the risk of casualties. Schools, businesses, and local governments are increasingly involved in drills and preparedness plans. Strengthening infrastructure is also crucial. Modern building codes require structures to be not only stronger, but also more flexible, able to absorb and dissipate seismic energy. As we sift through the rubble of past earthquakes, the lessons are clear. We are reminded of the raw power of our planet, the vulnerability of our societies, and the incredible resilience of the human spirit. These events shape not only our physical world, but also our cultural identities, our policies, and our scientific pursuits. The challenge of living on such a dynamic planet is daunting, but it is also a call to action. By learning from past disasters, improving our preparedness, and fostering global cooperation, we can face future earthquakes with greater confidence and resilience. Through the pain and the loss, the Earth's tremors teach us about our limitations and our capabilities, compelling us to innovate, unite, and endure.